So it's time to get rid of this old timer right here, and it's in perfect condition. Actually, it's very operational. Just tested it. So before I start disassembling this thing, of course I removed the wires from the batteries so I won't get zapped this time. Now let me show you. It's attached to part of the galley. It's very hard to reach, and then I figured out I just take this control panel off and see what's behind it. So hold on a second. There you go. It's heavy as hell. Look, that is just a piece of art. I mean, look at it. See that? See these the bulbs? It's classic, man. It's classic. All right, now I noticed that it's attached to the rear with these nuts, so I'm gonna take these off in order to take the entire unit off. So let's put you down. You don't want to see this. This is going to take a while, so I'm going to put you on time lapse. Yep, finally got it off. Took me more than 2 hours because all the nuts and bolts came off, except for the last one, of course, as it always is. So instead of the little nut coming off easily, the counter bolt was on the other side of this wooden panel. So I had to break it free, the last one, because I gave up unscrewing it. It's just not possible from this angle, but we succeeded. And meanwhile, Lotte is making daiquiri.
Mean green daiquiri.
It's delicious, fragrant, fun to make, and it's so fast. My family love it.
And so the radio was disconnected to this copper slab, which runs from the radio to here, which is the grounding. So I can't take it off, so I had to cut it. So if there is another owner for it, it's not really troublesome, because you can actually attach it to another copper slab if you want to, well, you need to. So it's time to take this baby out. Alright, time to take the old wires out. This just was disconnected from the battery chamber. I think I go all the way through here, all the way through this locker, and end up in the galley. So time to start pulling.
Hello. So I am going for a shower. As you know, summer season ended, so it's winter and quite cold and windy, but it's time to wash my hair and take a shower. And as you can see, I do this face mask once a week, and I'm bright yellow, and I'll tell you later what it is. I can't move right now because it's pulling on my face, and I'm going for a swim. God help me. So this is the weather now. not particularly hot. So see, that's why I do this face mask in the boat, so I don't have any choice to come here and rinse it off because it's really cold and I have to go in to rinse it off. That's it. It's quite choppy now, so let's see if this goes well. Not too cold yet. I think that's still a solid 20 degrees. So let's get my shampoo and let's go in. So watch the sea urchins so I don't, this might be painful. Now I'm gonna find a little spot for my shampoo. Ooh, that gets colder and colder and the winter's coming. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Okay, so what I'd like to do is try and put you guys up here. Rinse my face off first and then I'll be back for the shampoo to wash my hair. Let's hope that works out. That was super cold. But hey, it's easier than showering in the boat because I don't know if you know, but you can do everything with salt water, like shampooing your hair, put it in your hair, rinse it out. And as long as you rinse it out with fresh water afterwards, it's completely fine. Because you need to consume water on the boat, obviously. Now I'm gonna apply the shampoo. So it's gonna be a big shower today. That's crazy. It's better in the water than above the water as always. My ass. One more time, so it's well rinsed. Time to go back in the boat and rinse with fresh water.
Would be that, first mate.
Mutiny, Captain.
Again.
Mutiny!
Aye. Mutiny.
Yeah, and here's the moment you all been waiting for. Lotte's going to reveal her secret recipe of her face mask and shampoo, homemade. So what's cooking in the galley?
And I just washed it now, so as you can see, pretty cool.
It's the best, I'll tell you. It's got this little chickpea flour, but it will reveal itself at some point.
So first step is to make the mask I still have. So I'll show you the ingredients. So this is the end result. You can see that from the side.
Yellow.
Yes.
Powder.
And this is a face mask I apply. I put it on for 20 minutes and that was the yellow why the minion fell in love with me. So this is curcuma, turmeric,
also known as turmeric.
and you just take a very little of that. I won't do it now because I still have these and I need to be
You need
careful with this one because
treasure
it's
it.
almost finished.
Yeah.
Treasure it. So that's it. Basically some turmeric, like a half a teaspoon, very little, and then you get some chickpea flour, which is the best. So that's for the face mask. The chickpea flour, I'll show you inside the bag as well. It's awesome.
Yeah.
So good, and you can make really good food with it.
Fine cut.
And the last one ingredient for face mask is some pepper. Just some black pepper or some chili if you want, so it's working better and it opens up the pores, gets the
stuff out.
Gets the stuff out, and that's pretty good. So that's that.
And it will make your life very spicy as well. If you want to spice it. your relationship bit.
Yeah, because we need that, right?
So we use a lot of it. Yeah.
So next one is a shampoo, and as you can see, this is finished, so I can really make it for you guys. And basically, I'll take the chickpea flour. Let's see, take 1 teaspoon, 2, 3. I'll take for a few times to wash my hair. So this is all the chickpea flour here, and the only thing you have to add is a bit of baking soda, and you add just the same amount, just 4 amounts of chickpea flour and 1 spoon of baking soda. Let's say a big one, so 1 big teaspoon of baking soda. Just mix it very well, and then I keep it dry. And if I want to wash my hair, I just put a little bit of water in it, almost drop by drop, so you get a thick paste. Wash your hair with it, and it's full of protein. It's pretty good. Normally I wash my hair with eggs, but this is way much better. And the fact is, with eggs, you need to rinse your hair with cold water, and if it's cold outside, yeah,
Not
it's
so
not
much
so
fun.
nice. No, not so much fun.
And if you rinse your hair with warm water after applying the eggs, your head will look like a bloody omelette. I'm
Yeah.
telling you, really, it's funny.
Okay, and the other secret ingredient which I have for this is just 1 drop essential oil of lavender oil. 1 drop lavender oil, yeah. Or 2, so it smells nice, and it smells like, yeah.
Lavender.
Yeah, so you don't need shampoo and all that stuff to smell good, because this is just the same, it's even better, and it's natural. And then I just put it in a little container, so I can keep it for when I have to wash my hair, and it never goes bad, and whatever. As I said, I like using eggs as well because it's even more protein and my hair loves it, but the rinsing out is a bit tricky.
Nice.
And I think this will last for 1 to 2 times. Yeah, so the only thing you need to get is basically the chickpea flour, the turmeric, and baking soda. That's all.
Yeah,
Baking powder. And if you want a little lavender oil, eucalyptus oil, patchouli, whatever you like, essential oil, so you can add the drops and it smells nice.
I bet you can even add like mint or stuff, or
Yeah,
whatever.
whatever.
Rose petals and
Rosemary is very good for the hair as well.
rosemary,
yeah.
you know, all that stuff that smells yummy.
And that's it. Face mask and shampoo.
Ta-da! Buy yours right now. Hey, as you may or may not recall, last week I was fiddling around with a water pump, and I went to Akko and to Dave and John, and they made me a very new gasket. Thanks a lot for that, guys. Appreciate it. But it wasn't the cause of the leak. The cause of the leak was there was a little O-ring on the shaft of the impeller, and that seems to be leaking. And I want to thank Peter den Breyen and also Hagen Yacht, or Hagen Yacht in Dutch, for the comments on the YouTube video last time, and they were indeed correct, and thanks to you guys for your advice. It was indeed the O-ring on the shaft, and I will get that replaced. In fact, we were on our way yesterday. We rented a car and we went to the Chandler's. So, but the Chandler's are all closed. Everything's closed, everything's in full lockdown. Here in Greece it's locked down until next month, the 7th. So we won't get any new parts until then, unfortunately. But we will, as soon as everything opens up, get the new O-rings and all the other stuff we need, and we can finally start working on Mutiny, get all the gears and supplies that we need. So, thanks guys for that comment, and I really appreciate it if you leave any comments behind of everything we do or not do or screw up, and because we can really appreciate your opinion about that. And you can always, if you want to support us in any other way, go to our Patreon site and just have a browse around, check it out, see if you think it's worth it or not. So for the meanwhile, thanks a lot for viewing, and we'll see you next week. Bye.